Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can enable or disable dismemberment in Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Modern Warfare. Now just click here on Options. And when you're here, you want to click on General. And just scroll down below. And you're gonna see it right here under the profanity filter. Dismemberment, and you want to have it enabled or disabled. It's really up to you which one you want. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and some guidance. You know how it works. But yeah, have a great day and goodbye.